How to format a Word document using MLA style formatting. Picture this. Suppose you were to pick up a book from a bookshelf at your local library. You discover that the book, on closer inspection, has no name on the front cover, no author, no title, no page number as you explore each page of the book, and no information pertaining to the date in which it was written or published. What would you make of the book? You would think that the librarian was careless in placing such an item on the bookshelf. You would perhaps think the book is a joke. Or, if you're curious enough to investigate, you will take your time to read the book thoroughly, from the first page to the final page, in order to make sense of its purpose and the audience of the book. But let us pause to ask, to begin with, why do we, or even anyone, have to go through all this stress just to figure out the book? This is because the said book was published in a very strange way. A published book with no title, no date, no author information, no page number is hardly one that is published by a professional, since it does not adhere to the normal conventions many book readers are familiar with, and which they often anticipate when they pick up a good book to read. Also, many established book publishers tend to reinforce the standard conventions or protocols set by their industry for all books they publish. So it is with essay writing in college. Formatting is crucial when it comes to writing a college essay. In many English composition classes in the United States today, MLA style formatting is used by millions of students when writing a college essay. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to format a Word document using MLA style formatting in your college essay. To do this, I'm going to format a sample student essay. As you can see on your screen, on the upper left corner, the first page, this is where you list your name. In this instance, we have Lauren James, the name of the instructor, the course title, and if the assignment is specific, you can list the assignment after the course title, and then you have the date. Note that the date is written in a particular order. You have the day of the month, followed by the month itself, followed by the year. So once you have all this information typed up on the Word documents, you want to hit enter at least once. Next, you're going to move to the title of the essay. Once you begin typing your essay title, make sure you center the title to the middle. To do this, you're going to go to the paragraph menu and then find the center alignment icon, which is here. Click on it and you have the title in the center. Note for the title that you do not underline, italicize, or place your title in quotation marks. Only use quotation marks or italics when referring to other works in your title, just as you would in your essay. In this scenario, I have italicized To Serve With Love 2 because it's a title of a movie and it's in reference to my title. Next, another observation to make is that when you are writing your title, you will write the title in title case, that is standard capitalization. Not all the title words are capitalized. This means that you capitalize each word that you see in the title. With with the exception of words that are prepositions, conjunctions, or specific articles, the or an. If any of the articles, prepositions, or conjunctions do not appear to be the first letter in the title, then they are not capitalized. Next, we are going to click on the Insert tab. Then we are also going to look for the header and footer menu, which is here. Then we're going to click on page number. After we click on page number, we're going to click on top of page. Then we're going to find plain number 3. The reason I do this is because I'm trying to create a header in the upper right hand corner that would include the last name of the student followed by a space with a page number. Watch what happens when I click plain number 3. So this is already numbered, the first page as 1. So I'm trying to create a header in the top right corner. We already have this numbered. What now needs to be done is to insert the last name of the writer of this essay. In this scenario, we have James. So I'm going to type James. Then hit the spacebar once. You should note that the page numbering is automatic. If I scroll down to the next page, we are going to see not 1 but 2, and the last name should also appear, James. So let's scroll down and see what happens. We see James 2. We scroll down again, James 3. If this paper goes all the way to 10, it will be the same. So that's how you set a header and footer menu when you are trying to format your essay in a Word document, MLA style. Next, we want to talk about double spacing. To double space your document, you are going to go to the paragraph toolbar. Let's go to the Home tab again. When you go to the paragraph toolbar, you are going to select this, double, then hit OK. But before you do that, I always like to copy all. That's Control A if you are a PC user, a Windows user. So to double space, you would go to paragraph, the paragraph 2 bar, click on it. So right here we've got indent and spacing. We're not going to touch any of these settings. Indentation is set to 0, right is set to 0, spacing is 0 after 0. Next we're going to click on underline spacing. I'm going to select double. After selecting double, the next thing I do is to hit OK. Always make sure that you've got the spacing, indentation all set to 0 before you hit OK. Now I'm going to select OK and watch what happens. My essay is now double spaced and it's now formatted in the appropriate MLA style formatting technique. So once you do this, you're done. But there is one problem. You will notice that the indentation is different. To indent this essay, the first thing I need to do is to move my mouse to the beginning here and tap on tab at least once. You want to do this for every paragraph. This one is already done, and this one is already done. Your formatted documents should look like this, and the other screenshot images that you can see on your screen. So that's how you format a Word document using MLA style formatting style.